Do you know that B4R Factory can dismantle auto parts based on your request? Expert support and packing on demand. Our experts work to find the configuration that works best for you based on the shipping containers we provide. Also, it is possible to pack your container at your request to save money. Steps until your ordered auto parts are ready to ship. How to order or purchase auto parts from B4R? First, visit B4R website. Find auto parts or a vehicle which you would like to dismantle. Check the reference number of the product and make an inquiry to top@b4r.jp to your sales representative about dismantling or loading service if needed. Once you could be sure about your order and request, we will send you an invoice via email. Then you will proceed with the payment. How do we dismantle and pack a container? We will dismantle and pack a container based on your request. Your ordered items are securely loaded by our experts and ready to ship. For further information or any inquiries, please do not hesitate to make an inquiry to top@b4r.jp.